G'day, this is Chase the Weekend and my name's Matt, and on today's episode we're doing a winch swap over for brother Brenny and his Prado. So we're part way through it now, but let's rewind, go back to the start. Hope you enjoy. Righto, so we're changing out the winch in Brenno's Prado because it just decides not to work some of the times. So it can work when you hit the winch, and then it doesn't work. So it's time to say goodbye to the old Domin8r. She's had a good run, I guess. How long do you reckon we were talking?
4 or 5 years.
5 years. 5 years of the old Domin8r, so that's a pretty good run. It's used probably 2 times in that 5 years. No, just kidding. Used about 3. A bit more than that. So yeah, she's coming out, and yeah, the new Domin8r Xtreme. Is it the Xtreme? Yeah, Domin8r Xtreme's going in. So we're hoping that the old new one will slide in. The old one will slide out. So bash plate off, cables off, and then we should be able to slide it out from underneath here, and then hopefully slide the new one in. Otherwise, the bull bar's going to have to come off, which we're hoping we don't have to do. Ooh. Don't say any naughty words. What do you want, Kill? It actually looks like I'm doing something too if I film it from this angle. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming.
Oh, easy. Slide through. Oh yeah, we'll get that out easy. Hopefully. Yeah, it should squeeze out there. So the positive is now off the battery. Just got to take the negative off. Now we've just got the 4 bolts in here that hold the winch on, and then hopefully, and the power cables up here. So undo those, undo the 4 in there, and then that winch should hopefully pop out of there. There's the 2 power cables there, and we've got 2 other cables on the bottom there that are for the control box. So that's got to come out as well. So we're going to have to just take that pin off and the hook off, because we're going to leave that fair lead on the bar. So we're just going to pop that little split pin off, pull the pin out. Happy days. Oh, it needs a tappy.
Too many base trips.
Oh. Ta-da! Do you want me to hold something?
Reach out under that last bolt.
So we've got the 4 bolts in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 that'll hold the fair lead in. I'm just going to try and be useful and hold something. Do you want to roll it?
Yes. Okay.
You got him?
Yep.
Squeeze. Where are you going? This way.
Yeah, that's it.
Right. You got it? There she is, the old winch is out. Let's see how the old solenoid's fared. Pretty good. It was There's no corrosion in there at all.
Just wait till we pull it apart.
Inside the solenoid.
Yep, we'll have a look now.
Clean as a whistle. Is there any water in there? Moisture?
Missing parts there. Where that clipped into.
Oh, the plastic.
Yep.
Oh yeah. So the housing snapped off.
Yep.
Everything else looks really nice.
Contacts, everything else is pretty good apart from the housing.
I wonder if that would have made any issue. There you go. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look inside the motor, see how it fared. Now just remember, this winch was working somewhat. Well, sometimes when it decided to. Whee!
Smells good.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a bit stinky. What are we breathing in? Ooh, crusty. That's why I didn't want to work when I only wanted to work. Ooh. Surprised that even went at all. Whew. Lots of corrosion in there. There she is. To get all the bits, the hook, bolts, controller, everything that you'd expect, cables, everything. Instructions, not that anyone ever reads those anyway. Oh, and a little red strap thing. I guess that goes on the hook, does it? What are you going to do here, rotate it?
No, I'm just checking the it's done
make
up
sure.
alright.
So the three there's the one underneath, is there? Oh yeah, there's the bolts underneath. That was to the right.
We had that up, didn't we?
Yep.
Cable coming out from underneath.
So here's a trap for young players. In the Prado, the winch bolts to the front of the bar, whereas this winch looks like it's made to bolt to a winch cradle. So, and we can't turn the motor around because there's not enough spots for bolts. So it's going to have to sit like this, and then you have to reach around to the clutch. Whereas this one here, the old style one, you could easily move that around. You can move that motor around. There you go, something to think about. Right, new one going in. What do you want me to do? Just look at the camera and smile. Stick it back in. If I say move your head. Rolling. Cool. Oh, that was easy.
That was easy. You get laptops, I got this. lights.
Front of the light.
This one. Is it bad enough?
There's no nut in there. Getting the speed wobbles. Right, which one do you want now?
I'm gonna get this.
That one's in there.
Yeah, we can need the fan, you know.
Oh yeah.
Put that in there. One more.
Yeah, I'll give us a nut.
Can you get it?
Yeah. Look, I feel. Yep. Oh no, it doesn't line up. That's your bar.
Are you in?
Yeah. Your bar's twisted.
Right, nah, there we go. Drop down. Ah,
Oh,
yeah,
fairly.
it's up there.
You did say that twice. You can just slide in there and I'll get these.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that one's got it. Radio.
Oh, that's over on the drill box over there. Are those bolts long enough, Matty?
Yeah. Just needs a bit of bit of.
I can hold it up.
Uh,
Yeah, that's enough.
What's going on? You need me under here too?
it needs some guidance.
Oh yeah, no, that's good. Yes, I'll
What
leave
time is
you
it?
to it.
Well, I got this side. What's the torque setting?
4 uggers.
So, tip number, what are we up to? 2 or 3 or something? 2?
Just say each one.
The earth cable, which I think is that one. She's a bit short.
No,
Is that the right one?
No.
Oh, that's the right one.
Yeah, that one goes to the winch.
Oh, so we got to put that on.
Yep.
Oh, so you didn't put it on yet?
No.
Oh, okay. Take 2. Tip number 3. Make sure you put your earth cable on first before you mount your box. So
No, that goes to the winch.
goes to the winch from where?
Battery straight to the
Oh,
winch.
so it doesn't go to the control box?
No.
Oh, okay.
Scrap that.
Alright, so the box is in. Just got to run the earth cable down. We've already got an earth cable run, so we're going to reuse that one because there's nothing wrong with it. It's a bit dirty, but the cable's still fine. So Brenny's going to chuck that on and then bolt up the other cables from the control box. They're color coded on the motor. There's little, you can't really see, but there's colored posts on there and they line up with the colored cables. Easy as. So what happens when righty tighty becomes righty loosey?
What's that?
It's when you strip the bolt. Haven't you ever done that before?
That means it's tightened up.
Just
back it off half a turn.
So when righty tighty becomes righty loosey, just back it off half a turn.
Yeah.
The sun is set on another day. The winch is in. All the cables are run. Back up to the battery. Sorry about the shadow. Happy days.
Well, there you go, done and dusted. The daylight has escaped us, but it's all done. All in, pretty straightforward. And look, they're so cheap these days. I remember when Matt and I first started, winches were so expensive, we thought, never going to afford one of them. So cheap these days, great insurance. You can recover yourself, can't beat it. Super cheap, grab one, fit it today. You know how to do it now. We've showed you. Thanks for watching, guys. We really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if it's your first time. Check out some other videos. We've got heaps of DIY and tech videos there for you. And remember that the weeks are long, but the weekends are short. So go chase the weekend.